Hello, welcome to Module 7. This is the introduction video for Module 7. I want to just let you know a little bit about last week. I had the office hours on Monday, and I noticed that one of you attended, and yet I wasn't there. I had my second COVID shot, and by later on that afternoon, I'd started getting a fever and was kind of miserable, and I had a fever for about a day and a half, maybe 30 hours. So I was struggling a little bit and missed class last week. I will be there tomorrow for sure, being Monday the 26th. So this week we're going to look at some things, and the book goes into a lot of detail. I want you to focus more on the lectures and skim through the book. And the reason for that is it gives you way too much information, and that is for a construction manager. And yet at the same time, it gives you archaic information. It gives you information that surveyors, while they might know it, they don't use a lot of it anymore because of the advent of the data collector and advent of AutoCAD and other packages that allow for much easier stakeout than ever before without AutoCAD and without the data collectors. And I'll explain that as we go through it. But we're going to be looking at curves this lesson. All three chapters will talk about curves in some manner. We'll be looking at chapters 13, 14, and 15. We'll be looking at what is a curve, horizontal curves, vertical curves, reverse and compound curves. And we'll also be looking at how to stake them out and what surveyors do and what what construction people expect as far as a stakeout, and we'll talk about why we have to have curves. So again, that's 13, 14, and 15 this week. I want to point out that I will have everything graded by the end of this week, so that even next Sunday I will make a concerted effort that when you turn everything in, I'll have it graded up by Monday, sometime midday Monday, I hope. And what that does is, as next week is our last week. So I want everybody to see their grades. I want you to know where you're at. And for the most part, nobody should be worried or have any complaints about where your grades are. So that said, I will go ahead and stop this recording, and then see you in a few minutes with chapter 12.